everyone, back again with a test to test your English. What's your level? Let's check it out with AI, of course, for free. Ready? Let's go! First, you can check out the reasons why you should take this test, and it will take less than 15 minutes. Then you need to check out the audio. Just click here.
This is an audio check. If you can hear this message, please proceed to the task.
Okay, let's start with the reading. So this is the example questions. I'm not going to give you all, of course. You can try them on your own. You have this multiple choice exercise. Just choose one, click continue and go on. You've finished the reading part, let's go to the listening part, and you have to choose the best option. Again, these are just examples.
Speaker 2. I'm taking 4 lecture courses and attending 8 seminars this semester.
At the end, just fill in your details, name, email, and then you'll get the result. So this is the type of result you get, and for free, right? We have more options here. I'll delve into that on my next video. So if you like this video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools for you and your projects. Thanks so much for watching. I'll be back soon with another video. Bye bye for now.